Eventually we wanted a full patio and a second story deck. The deck, the price just for the deck.
Jeez, look at this. All right, so now I am curious on what this is. All right, so behind the house here, we have a new patio door that's going to be installed in a couple of weeks. For good reason. It's wood. It's over 20 years old. It's been getting rained on, and it's completely rotten. So a whole bunch of issues here. I mean, that needs to be sloped differently. They put stones right up next to and right underneath the current patio door. This gutter was completely smashed, and that's the gutter that drains all the water from the top of the roof there. Well, when we moved here, the water was just pouring off of there because this was closed off. So he's gonna come out here. I mean, we're trying to figure out if we can do a deck back here, which we want to do, but there's a lot of things we want to do. So he needs to at least get rid of these stones that are right next to the foundation, because they're going to need to get in there and make sure they seal underneath it good. So that's what he's going to come back here and just do hopefully just a quick little removal of some of those rocks, so we don't have to do it with a shovel. I was gonna say, there better not be carpet under there. These just look like a local stone. They're pretty though. Sandstone. Oh, I see a big ant colony popping out. I'm just glad there's no carpet.
I can probably get the rest by hand unless I need to go down this some more.
Yeah, come this way. I may have to go digging through them stones, see if there's anybody I like, although I think they're a little scratched up now.
So here I'm trying to pitch it away just a little bit because we got big rain coming, I think, on the evening of this event. And it seemed to have worked. We got rain and there was no standing water within, 20 inches or more of the door. So again, this is a temporary chest move, but let's keep going.
Okay, Joe, the door's not in yet, so don't break the glass. All right, so now I am curious on what this is. Like I said, I know that's for the emptying the ashes. I mean, it's like a plumbing thing. Oh God, I didn't think it was gonna fall out that quick. All right, I'm gonna just stick the camera in there. Hope nothing comes out. Alright, I don't know what it is. Kind of weird having it on the bottom of the chimney. I don't know. I mean, it's like a drain, but... Oh, maybe there's something... Ouch! On... the top. I don't know. Maybe there's something on the top that if it gets rain in it, maybe it comes out that way. Heck, I don't know. Huh. Interesting. Alright, if you know what that is, let me know. It's definitely nothing with the gutters. Jeez, look at this shit. This is not what you want against your basement wall. Gosh. Look at this. Dirt, ants. I mean, this is concrete, this is the foundation, yeah. But, oh. Oh yeah, it's even underneath that plate. Oh. Well, good thing we're taking care of it now. Eventually, we're gonna take care of this whole backyard. Ain't gonna be today, probably this winter. And we'll get all those stones pulled out, free up the basement wall. Man. Wow. One little project at a time. So one thing they did was, this is a copper flashing. That's all the way around the basement wall, and then it goes in the basement and comes around. So thankfully, at least that's there. It's not wood, it's not rotten, so I don't think there's going to be termites. But we'll see when he takes the door out. Wish us luck. Well, we have more rain coming tomorrow, but we needed to pull this away. So he did the best he could to level it out and make kind of a little bit of a slope off of there for it to run off. If we get heavy rain, yeah, it's probably going to sit there. But we got to get it done.
All right, here's the newly installed patio door. We had it done through Lowe's because it's been really hard to find people to work out here. So we went ahead and did it through Lowe's. Get the little locking bar out of there. Don't think we need that anymore, but it turned out really nice. They had to get rid of that. They got round trim in this house. It used to be a fancy schmancy thing. Sharon totally hates that. So I had them cut it all off, which worked out perfect. So now it's flat. So Sharon can put a nice, whatever she decides for a wood trim, you know, whether it's a rustic barn wood, you know, to go with the rustic stuff down here, or if she wants painted trim, but whatever. Let me get a look from the outside. I got it cracked open, but you get the idea. You know, this eventually, I don't know if I'm gonna do a DIY small pour here, but eventually we wanted a full patio and a second story deck. The price just for the deck was $22,000. Nothing down here. I mean, yes, would be a beautiful view. I mean, once I'm gonna clean up the brush here so you could see, but there's a beautiful ravine down here. It's super pretty. Here you could see it goes down and comes back up. Well, we'd be able to see into the woods quite a ways. So it would be a beautiful deck. You know, we want to put 2 sliding doors, one in my room the living room. But just the deck alone was $22,000. So, you know, the old door was rotten because they did this. They must have ran out of money instead of pouring concrete. So I got to pull all this rock out of here, and either we're going to have somebody come in and pour either a temporary one, or we're going to wait till we can afford something more. But anyways, chest moves one at a time. It's late November. It's been a big long year. We got deer hunters out right now. So hey, we'll take one little success at a time. New basement sliding door, check. Chest move done.